I'm so excited, you guys. I have my book. It's come in the mail to me. So this is the book that I wrote. Took me about 9 months in the making. It was a long journey, but here it is. And I wanted to share this moment with you where I unpacked the book. So bear with me as I rip through this cardboard to see what's inside. Let's go. Oh, oh, wow. This is my book. It has my name on the cover, Connie Clark. The book is called Work Smarter with Microsoft OneNote, and subtitle, let me just read it to you so I don't mess it up. An expert guide to setting up OneNote notebooks to become more organized, efficient, and productive. Sounds like a perfect thing to me. Now keep in mind, this book is meant for who? It's meant for anybody that takes notes. So whether you're using OneNote already, or maybe you're not even sure what this program does, this is a book for you. This book will even go into how you can use it for your entire team at work. You can use OneNote for yourself or for a group of people. Now, I don't have the time to tell you everything about this book, so be sure to watch for my next videos so I can share more about it. And by all means, please pick up the book. It's on Amazon. Thank you.